everyone, guys, I'm Tanmay. So guys, welcome to my channel Technical World Tanmay. So guys, in this video I'm gonna unbox and review of this FamPay's debit card. So it's very nice in looking and it's so amazing to use. So I'm gonna unbox and review of this FamPay's card. So please bring this video in this video to till end, and I will tell you how to activate this card and all. So let's start the intro. Guys, now as you can see, this is my FamPay package. So in this packet, here is my FamPay credit card or debit card. So here is the logo of FamPay and the board of FamPay. And if I slip, then here is my address information and about me, and you can see there is the manufacturing information of this company. So if I also, as you can see, it's my invoice of this card, and the card price is 999, as you can see, means almost 1000. And if I convert this amount in US dollar, it may be like $12 to $13. And in this packet here is a box, as you can see, like this right now. So here is the name of bank and all the reserve that permission on this card, like this all the permission on this company. And here is the very beautiful drawing and maybe design of board. So if and also, as you can see, here is written pull me. So if I pull it, then this is the welcome message for me. Welcome to the farm. So welcome to the farm. If I open it, so as you can see, this is maybe in this in this box, here is my FamPay card. So I am gonna put it on the side and I'll see this what is there now. So oh no, right? Okay, so here is my here is my QR code for activate my card. So I can't show my QR code right now. So as you can see, here is an and you're done. It's that simple. You're now ready to scan and something about this card. And if there is something special, and also there is something. So here is a FamPay and found me. Share on this unboxing video on this Instagram and photos and all about this card, so you can also read it. So I'm gonna putting it here. So this is the very nice packaging I have seen ever on any product. So yeah, that's amazing packaging. So now let's see how is my card. So I'll unbox my card right now. So guys, here is my card. So there is the message of, I already told you that welcome to the farm. So if I pull it like this, as you can see, here is my FamPay card. So also there is some message I've read and something about the story. Okay, and something nothing. Okay, advertise. I will always. So here is nothing. Just something like a story that it's not a card. It's my story, and my all the life is based on this card. So it's something weird, and there is written something is designed by you, created by FamPay. Means I designed this FamPay card, and this card made by FamPay. So when I put my card from there, then here is also a message, hello me. So this is my FamPay card. It looks so amazing, as you can see. So I have made this design, as you can see. Tanmay is there. Here is my name, and this is the wireless card I can use in ATM and swipe machine. And see, on this back side there is also some message like powered by Zeta and all and all. Here is my name, Tanmay Misra, as you can see. And there is also a logo of FamPay, issued by IDFC Bank. So yeah, it's something very cool card I have ever seen. And I unboxed this card at last time, but I did unbox it again for showing you guys. So it's so nice and pretty much good. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. So bye. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and use comment box for any queries and anything and all and all. So, and please also share this video to your friends and family members that they will know something new about this. So like this video for this special card. And bye bye, take care, and bye.
You know is in your mind.